with the shape of you.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? And in this video I was asked to show you how to make a Minecraft server. So as you can see, this is Spigot from getspigot.mc.org, and I'm going to tell you exactly what Spigot is. It's a Minecraft server software that can allow you to run Minecraft and have a modded server so you can get plugins for it. There are actually two kinds, or there are many different kinds, but the most popular are Spigot or Craft Bukkit. From this website right here, you can either do Spigot or get Craft Bukkit, doesn't matter which one. But I am going to be doing Spigot. So, start by downloading that. And it's going to take you to this page. Just wait, don't click on anything, don't do anything it says, just wait for it to load. And then click skip ad. It will show up right here in just a moment. So just click on skip ad. And then down here, click on keep. And don't do this, just click cancel or whatever it says it's up here. So click on keep right down here. And then when this thing says your download is ready, do not click this. You do not need that. And by the way, I will have this previous link in the description for you to get. So now I'm going to go to my desktop, create a new folder, right click, create new folder. I'll create it, I'll name it server. Now go into your downloads, click that download thing. Actually, you need to open the folder. Now go to where that downloaded thing was and drag it and drop it into that folder. Then you can close the browser because you don't need it anymore. That's all you need to do with the browser. You're done for that part. Alrighty, now you're in here. Let me make this bigger so that you can see it. See this icon right there? It looks like a coffee mug of some sort. That's the icon you want to be seeing. You will 100% definitely see that icon if you have downloaded Minecraft Forge. Minecraft Forge is what you can use to install mods such as Optifine, but if you want me to show you a video on how to get Forge, just leave a comment and I'll save this for another video. If you don't have this, you can easily install Java. There will be a link in the description, and it's right from the Java website, so it should be safe, and there should not be any viruses that will come on, because I was trying to show a friend how to make a server. I told him to do it, but I gave him the wrong link and it put a virus on his computer, so super sorry about that. So I will have the link, and it will be coming from the Java website. So what you want to do from now is right click here, go down to new, create a new text document. Don't name it anything, just leave it as it is because you're going to delete it later. So you're going to click on it and open it up, and there's going to be some code, a little bit of code. It's the only bit of code you need to know. And to make your life easier, you can just go down to the description, copy it, and paste it. I actually need to look it up from the web, and it's right from, I have it bookmarked. It's coming right from the Minecraft.net server. So you don't need to download any of this other stuff because you've already downloaded either Spigot or Craft Bukkit. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to copy this and paste it right here. Now, right here where it says Minecraft underscore server dot 1.11.2 dot jar, you will need to change that to say exactly whatever the file name of the server that you downloaded. So here's Spigot 1.11.2. So I need to change that to say exactly what it says right there. So Spigot 1.11.2.jar. Now, what you want to do from here is go into File, click Save As, and then you're going to either type Run or Start, however you feel you need to do it. So I'm just going to put Start. This will be the server, and you're actually going to need to write .bat. Remember that. Now, right here, Save As Type. It says Save As Type. You need to make sure you click on All Files. And now you can save it. Now you can click the X on the notepad, and you can delete the notepad, whatever this text document that you have created, because you do not need it anymore. Now, this start, you're going to double click it to get it started. It will take a few seconds to start running. It says please wait up here, and once it's done going through, it will stop the server, and then it will put a few more files inside this notepad folder that you need. It's already got one, it's logs, but the rest of it is still loading. So there we go. It just started. Now, to start your server completely, you need to go over to this EULA and open it. And over here, you need to select false and change it to true. That's pretty simple. Now you're going to go up to File and save it. So that's pretty easy. So it must say right here, EULA equals true. That's what it has to say. And go ahead and save that. Click the X. Now go back and click on Start again. And this time your server will be started. And it will put a whole bunch of more files, like the name of the worlds and stuff that you will have. And it will have a few other files. There will be a plugins folder that will allow you to install plugins to the server. So it will take a second, and I guess I'll edit the video right here as soon as it's done. And as you can see, it's putting a whole bunch of files into this right here. So there's a whole bunch. There's a band players list right here, the server. There's whitelist if you want to have a whitelist server. There's OPS if you want to OP someone in game. You can also do it right here. There's band IPs, and right here there's world to end, world underscore nether, world plugins folder, logs, all kinds of stuff that will be useful. And whenever you want to start the server, just click start right here. So right here in this command prompt, it's preparing spawn area, and it will go through it. Right now it's about 50%. So there we go. So I will just let this run until it's finished, and then I will show you what to do next. Alright. I had just recorded a whole bunch, and I'd realized my microphone was on mute, so I'm going to start over completely again. Now I'm going to let's see, run my server. Sorry about that. Run my server. I guess I'll just edit out the whole thing. So I click on that, and I will click run. And it's taking a while to load, so we'll see if it loads. And meanwhile, let me see if I can find it. In the folder that you have created, there should be a server .properties file, which is right here. I'm going to edit it with, open it with Notepad or whatever thing you have that you can use. And you can change some of the features here. As you can see, you got spawn protection at the top right here, and generator settings and all the other stuff. Here you can change the game mode, or force game mode or anything. And you can also change player name and stuff. And max players right here. This is a good important one, so you can change, pretty much have unlimited players. So, and the server port right here is 25565. I like to use the default port because it's a whole lot better. It's a lot easier. You can change the server name down here and other stuff. So my server is still loading up right here. So, as I was saying before I found out my mic was muted, that if you want to help build this in my server, you can go ahead and do that. Just leave a comment down below and I will add you to the whitelist, because it's going to be whitelisted until the grand opening of the server, and I really hope it gets a lot of players. Now you can type question mark into this chat box right here, which is also going to be known as the console to the server, and it will bring up a list of all commands that you can use in the server. And if you have plugins installed, those server commands will be there. And to stop the server from here, you type stop, and it will stop it. I'm going to stop it right now because it's taking up a lot of RAM on my computer. And to add plugins to your server, you're going to need to go up to this plugins folder, and I already have a bunch. So these folders at the top, they are generated by these I got Multiverse Core Enrolled Edit right here. It doesn't matter if it has Bukkit in the name, it'll still work on this Spigot server. So this plugin metrics is the only folder that comes with the server. This Multiverse Core and Enrolled Edit were generated by these plugins right here. And Void Generator right here, that is a side plugin that goes with Multiverse Core, and it will generate a void world so that you can create Skywards maps. That's what my server is going to have. The IP and the port is going to be in the description, so that if you are interested in building, I will add you to the whitelist, and you will be able to join my server. So, with all that being said, I was almost thinking of using a face cam because I really like the way I look today, but I'm not quite ready for face cam. I don't know, let's say 100,000 subscribers special, I will do a face cam. I know right now that seems like a lot, but we are almost to 50 subscribers within 2 months, and that is a whole lot in a very short amount of time. So don't worry, I will eventually get there. Maybe a year, perhaps. But that's another story. With that being said, I am signing off, and I will see you in the next video. I actually don't know what to do in the next video, so comment down below if you have any ideas for me to do. And I'm actually thinking I'm going to be a pretty good YouTuber because I like the way I did this video. Yeah, just saying. I'm in love with the shape of you.